Hello and welcome to today's live stream. I believe you're doing good. Thank you once again for joining. If you are watching the replay, receive my big hugs. And if you're here live, thank you so much for joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, we go straight into action as always. Yeah, we can see that, the landscape is getting greener. This has been a very funny, couple of days, especially when BTC was at 73,777, practically close to 74,000. And then we began to experience the dump. Wow, that was totally against what everybody had said. But this is what we call force majeure. You can never really say what's going to happen. In the crypto world, there are no certainties. There are no guarantees, guys. I get questions every time that, how much can I make guaranteed every single day as a crypto trader? And I tell people, we don't own the market. We don't own the people that are buying and selling. We don't own the decisions that people make while they are making their investment decisions. We don't know. All we know is that we try to analyze the market as at the time we enter it to see what are the favorable trades that we can take. And that's how that's what fuels our decisions onto what we will take as trades, people. Yeah. So welcome, people. I can see you coming in. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. So we don't own the market, guys. We don't know what's going to happen the next minute. But what we can do is to study, to analyze, and to make very what I call intelligent guesses about what the next step in future would be. And that's what we are seeing happen right before our very eyes. Because BTC should have been right now, as per postulations, it should have been at $90,000 or probably $85,000 or maybe even the so-called coveted $100,000. But here we are seeing BTC at 63,907. Yesterday was really red. Then it came from a previous high red level to some sprinkles of green, right? So as you can see here, before I go into what happened in the past, because I love to always start with good news, BTC is rising again. Yeah, we hope it will continue. As you can see right now, it went all the way to 60,775. Can you just imagine that? It went all the way from 73,777 people all the way to 60,775. I just can't imagine the people who huddled and bought at that price, hoping that it will get to 100K, what they'll be feeling like right now. A huge portion of their investment has been chopped off, but it has not fully gone off, except they have been liquidated. But if they have not been liquidated and they took the trade as a spot trader, their trade will still be in there, and there's hope for going up. Yes, there's hope for going up. There's hope for going up. All right, people. So let's go see what happened yesterday. Right, you can see BNB was at 520.9. BTC was at 64,000 before we closed. That was good. ETH was at 3,292. Okay, and we had BOME coming closely with Solana and Pepe. Solana is in the red currently, or was in the red currently. And in our gainers, we had ERN as the top range. Okay, frontliners followed by LTO, followed by AMP, FTM, APT, and SUI. And we took, I just took screenshots of these ones just to see what exactly where they would be. Remember the data trade that we took? Remember? Yeah, we had 3 straight trades in a row, people. Three straight trades in a row, and we were able to make a good percentage of profit. But I had to just tell myself, no, not going in, no going in again. So we're going to check the situation and the positions where these particular trades are. We're not currently in any of them right now. And then we'll check our trades, because we have trades in the tray. And we are hoping and trusting God that BTC will pump up, and then all the other coins will pump up. That's just one of the people ask what are the pros and cons of doing spot trading, and then one of the pros and the cons of doing it. One of the cons of doing it is that if you've already bought it, you've bought it, guys, and if you set your sell limit until it executes, your money is tied down inside of that place, except you want to just cash out in a loss. And I don't ever believe in doing that. I've done that once or twice before, but I decide not to go ahead and do that because I want to see. I mean, the market is elastic, guys. The market is like a trampoline, right? I was giving this analogy about the market being a trampoline, and someone was saying, how can you just align it? And actually, that's the truth. The market is like a trampoline. A trampoline is when you jump, you bounce up and down. The market bounces, guys. The market goes down and then bounces back up. That's a trampoline for you. And that's how a trampoline behaves. And that's what we can see is happening, people. Anyways, so that's it. Let's go check the live stats and look at all the things. And I hope to spend more time on trying to see if we can get trades in MEXC and BitGet today, because we only have allocation for 2 trades in Binance, and then we go look at whether we can take other trades in MEXC and BitGet. All right. So currently we are at 64,023. Hoping that it will keep on going, because anytime it has a drawback, people, all the other trades also would have a drawback. Okay, so welcome, people. Thank you so much for being here. So let's go ahead and see what's going on with Solana. It's at 176. Solana went to 200 and something, people, and Pepe is in the green. Let's see whether there's something we can take there. Oh yeah, we're seeing that it has a green candle, but a wick is a wicked candle. Is at 59. The pressure isn't that much. It's not that strong, but you can see everything is aligning. Only that the candlestick is red, and of course you can see that the RSI is slightly lower. So we definitely cannot take any of that for now. Solana. Okay, let me check BNB and quickly see what's going on with BNB. Remember we took BNB trade? Yeah, BNB is working, guys. It's going up. It's looking good. What's the range? It's 58. Well, it's looking good, people. 536, 537. That's good. So BNB is going up. BTC is also going up. It's now at 64,109. Let's hope it goes up and swings up to 67 to 80. Did I say 80? 68, 70, Yeah, it can get there. ETH. Let's wait and see. ETH is also going up. It went all the way down to 3,056. In fact, look at it. What's the current position? It's at 58 right now. You can see the pressure is mounting. I want to believe the pressure will move through all the other coins, and then we'll begin to see an upward trajectory for all the different coins, right? Solana obviously is going down. It went down, but it looks like it's going up again. Well, let's hope that it begins to get that trajectory. Everybody needs this, pump. I'm telling you, we're all looking out for it. I am looking out for it seriously. I was actually really disappointed with myself yesterday. I had an opportunity to get out of one trade, but I didn't. I was like, oh, it's going to go up. That is the problem. You see, it's better for you to get out of the trade and then come back and say, oh, I missed that extra profit, than for you to say, oh, it will go up, and then you never get out of it when you had an opportunity to make a very minimal profit. I'll show you what I'm talking about, guys. The GRT trade, I was in GRT. I saw that it was at 402, and I saw that I could take it. Look at right now, it's at 38. I saw it get to 402, 401. But right now, I'm hoping that it will go up. You can see right now, see where it reached. Let me check it. When it reached to 38.96, I needed to get to 39.50 or 39.55 for me to be able to get out of the trade. I don't mind just getting out. I don't want to get out with a loss. I just want to get my money back. Okay, and that's my attitude for most of the coins, especially during the bear season right now. And that bear season could just be a few days, right? It may not be really like this is the bear. How do I put it now? It could just be like maybe a little detour, So at this point, if I quickly see an opportunity to get my money out, I will take it. Of course, at no loss. I don't even want to hear anything that's called loss. Thank you, people, for joining. Thank you so much for being here. So as you can see right now, this one I am trusting that it will go up. It's currently going down. Again, after the pump, it's coming down. We can see the parabolic SAR. Let's hope that this will actually go. Look at it, it's currently at 50. Most of the coins you will see will be at the 50s right now if it's in this particular situation. Okay, so I had an opportunity to get out of that trade, but I didn't because I thought it would, go up a little bit more. So anytime I see any trade that is very close to execution, I will take it. All right. So let's see. We have new entrants on the gainer list. We have Polix. Which one is that? SKL data is still here. DEXI, ETHFI, and PHA. I remember someone said it took the PHA, trade. I don't know if he has come out of it yet. Hello, Mohammed. Hello. Nice to have you here. Thank you for joining. You are welcome to Income Strategies. Thank you so much for joining. We are doing, spot trading, live trades here. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It would be nice to have you as one of our subscribers. Thank you so much. So we have Polix. Let's begin to check them one after the other. Is it something we can take? I remember the data trade. Hello, Damping. So you are welcome. It's not futures trade, no. It is spot trading. I don't do futures on this channel. I don't. Spot trading. That's what we're doing here, not futures trade. Spot trading. Yeah. So you can see that we have Polix. Hello, Damping. So thanks for saying hello. Well, welcome. Yeah, Polix is going down, people. But it really had a good run. Did you notice? Look at the way can you see the way the candles are? The same shape. Look at it. It will run all the way up and then it will fall down a bit. And then it will stay stuck in that place for a while, then move up again and then run all the way up. So if I'm following this particular process, you would see that we have to wait for it to get to another candle, receive energy. It might go down a bit and then receive energy to go up. And then during that period, it will have the pressure mounted. You can see we are at 86 already. Definitely, I can't even take it. It's at 86 already. Yeah, but it was a good one when it happened. I didn't see that on time. I would have probably quickly taken one, or maybe just, decide on that. Hello, people. Thank you for joining. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And boop, the like button, okay? SKL is another one. Let's go check out what's going on with SKL. SKL is looking interesting. It's currently at 69. Oh, it had a good pump. You can see it looks like it's volatile, but it looking stuck a bit. I can see the gentle movement downwards. As you can see, if I check the 1 minute, I will see what is happening more clearly. Let's see the direction that it is going. Oh yeah, it's looking like it's going up a little bit. Yeah, it's on the upward movement. I just needed to get to the full candle. Oh, it's quite undecisive. Let's see. SK, what about data? Remember data yesterday? Oh, data is going down. Data did us well, people. We had a nice outing with data yesterday. Oh my God, look at it. Can you see that red? Can you see this red candle? I ate out of this coin. I ate out of it. Took 3 trades in a row, people, and then we made profits. Okay? Yeah. It's always good to try and spot this kind of coins. I don't know what was going on, people. I'm sure they were busy, marketing it. People were buying. It was going great, people. I enjoyed it. I took some profit out of that place. That's good. So let's see what we have here. You can see it's going down, so it's no longer working for us. ETHFI, new entrant into the market. Yeah, as you can see, it looks good, but it's been dumping then going up right now. I think BTC was pulling it up. Yeah, as you can see, 3.69. Looking good. Hello, Flexi Ninja. You are welcome. Nice to have you here. Oh, thank you for joining. Appreciate it. You're welcome. I give you my big thumbs up. God bless you. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, so we're currently looking at the market, looking at what the scenarios are given. And I was trying to say at the beginning of the class or at the beginning of the live stream that, I get questions like, How much guaranteed can I make from, you know, can I make from cryptocurrency trading? How much can I make? And I'm like, we don't own the market. And that's why I always tell people, you don't need to make cryptocurrency trading your only job. No, for me, I'm a multipreneur. I have many business. I have businesses I do. The reason why I do crypto trading because I love it. I enjoy it. I make money from it, yes, but because I even have a passion for it, I enjoy it. So even when I'm making money, I'm not making money. I'm not under pressure because I have income sources from other means. If this was your only work, you'll be under massive pressure, people. I have like 8 trades right now tied down in the convert limits. I should be under pressure. I'm not under pressure because this is not my only income source, guys. And I need to let you know that you must never put yourself under pressure. This should be, I'm not saying it should be, right? It's because I love it. That's why I enjoy it. For me, I find it interesting. But I'm also making money along the line. If it's not a pleasure to you, right? He said, what else do you do? You want to know what else I do? I do so many things, right? I do so many things. But this is not a channel where I begin to discuss about that. If you want to know other things I do, I think maybe you should go and check my playlist. My playlist on lessons learned as a female crypto trader. Go and check it. Probably you will see more. So plus, it's not. Is it not futures? No, this is not futures. This is not futures, please. I don't do futures. I don't do. It's too much of a hassle to do futures. Personally, for me, I mean, some of you may be very good at futures. Some of you might be gurus at futures. I mean, kudos to you people if you are gurus at futures. I don't do futures. Tried my hands on it. If you can check my playlist, check for Binance futures. I just tried it out. You can laugh at me because for me, I just had fun just losing money in the Binance futures, but I don't do it. I know some of the principles of it, but I don't do it. All right. So as he says, it is good at first and then it will burn you back. Oh my God, that's so I had to laugh. You say it is good at first and then it will burn you back. Yes. It has a way of welcoming you on board. Oh yeah. Maybe you try it out with a little bit of money. Oh my God, you use maybe 5 times leverage or 10 times leverage. Then you now get greedy and you go use 100 times leverage. Wow. And then you get liquidated and then you now get to the real terms of it. No. I don't want any of that. All right. So just for some of you, just to have context, I'm a multipreneur. I have many businesses. I have a fashion business where I have a training school where they train people on fashion design programs, right? Where I teach people how to sew. I've always done that from the time I was young. I've always been a sewing person. I learned how to sew by myself, right? So most of the things I do, I learn them by myself because I become interested in it and I learn, right? So I have a fashion business. I have a fashion education business. I am into bridals and fashion education, right? I'm also a digital marketer. I'm into marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ads and things like that. And of course, I'm also a finance enthusiast, right? I'm into investments and my husband and I are into, real estate. I mean, do you want to know more? I'm also a minister of God, right? I actually love to train teenagers, right? I'm a teens minister, right? That means that I go and I help teenagers, with their relationship with God, right? So you can see that I love to preach. I preach the gospel, right? And I also love to play. I'm a dramatist. I'm actually an actress. I dramatize, right? In church, I'm part of the drama group. Yeah, so you can see I do a whole lot of things, right? And that's why most of you can come here. I just make fun, I laugh, I make trading easy and fun because that's just me. I love to dramatize, I love to make people laugh. I do a lot of things, right? But for business, I have so many other, investments that I do. And of course, I have businesses in the line of fashion, in the line of education, in the line of real estate and things like that. So I hope that answered you. Rizwan, I hope that answered your question. I just wanted, for those of you that wanted to know more about me. So how did I get into trading? Let me use this to quick. Oh my God, look at it. ETHFI is looking interesting, people. Do we take it before I continue just gisting away? Oh my God, let me see. What is this? What is this? What is this, guys? 70.90. Sorry, I'll get back to that gist. But I think it looks like it's something we should take. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's go see what's going on with Bitcoin. I'll come back to the gist so I can tell you how I started and I got into the cryptocurrency trading space. I'll come back to that. But let's just quickly see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. What's going on with BTC? Is that affecting any coins? No, it doesn't look like it's that. Okay, let's go to ETHFI. Let's see what's going on with it. It looks cool. Do I want to take it? I'm not sure. But I think I should leave it because look at it. It's looking good, right? Do you think we should just take a little bit of it? What do you people think? I'm a bit scared though. I don't know. This is a new coin, but I don't mind. Let's take a bit. Let's start with ETHFI. Let's put $50 there and see. Let's go with it. Let's see. Did we buy it? Let's see. Come on. You say you don't recommend. Okay, let me cancel it. I've canceled it. Okay. He said Rizwan said I don't recommend. Okay, let me go and see. Because you said you don't recommend. Let me go and see why don't you recommend it? What's the reason? Tell me. Why don't you recommend it? Because I'm looking at it and it's looking juicy, but I don't know whether I should take it or not. Tell me, Rizwan, why don't you recommend it? I want to know. Let me know from you before I go. This thing is going up. Don't you think we should take this thing? Don't you think we should take it? Oh my God, look at it. It's new and have more volatility. Yes, it does. It has a lot of volatility. I agree with you. So that means that it could actually go down at any minute. Let me take your advice. I'll just stay out of it. Let me take your advice. I mean, I listen to you people. I mean, I remember when I was in one of the trades, was it front? So one of you said, "Hi, that thing looks dangerous." I said, "Okay." I just adjusted. I adjusted the sell limits because I mean, the reason why we have this live streams is because they say 2 good heads are always better than 1. Talk of having 11 good heads. There are 11 of you on this live stream right now. And that means that there are 11 great heads, right? So I'm going to take that. And all I will just do is I'm just going to take a screenshot. Before I do that, let me go and quickly take a screenshot of these other things because I haven't done that. I keep on forgetting. Come on. You shouldn't forget. So let me go to ETHFI and then just take that snapshot and see where exactly it goes to in a bit. I'll just take the snapshot. I mean, it's always good to I'll just use it for reference and see what happens to it. You can see a third parabolic star has come out, right? And the first thing it did was to go down. Yeah. So I think I will take your advice. Let's leave it. Let's go to more stable coins because this one is a new coin. I think maybe it's 3 days old or something like that. Yeah, 3 days. It's on its 3rd day. So yeah, except you're part of it when it comes out, bam, like that. When it just comes out and you're the first set of people to buy into it. Just like, I mean, we did, who checked out my boom? Hello, people. Nice to have you here. Thank you for joining. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to the channel, people. Thank you so much. Now, remember the Bome? Is it Bome or Bomi trade? We were there. We were at the countdown. If you watch my video, you can see that I was counting down. 3, 2, 1. And we went in and bought it, guys. It was awesome. Yes. Except you were in that first set of people. Oh, my God. You will not be happy. You will not be happy, guys. So that's exactly what is going on, except when the prices are now you can see the price is trying to stabilize and now it's going back up. But now look at it, just like Rizwan said, you can see the volatility. Yeah. Yeah. Trust Jesus says, I just subscribed. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Trust Jesus is such an awesome time to have you here. Receive my big hugs and a peck from me. Mwah. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay. So I was just, as in while we were looking at these coins, I was just trying to share my story of how I came into, the digital asset space. And my first entry into the digital asset space had to do more with let's put it like this. Who knows about binaries, binary options, binary synthetic indices? Those were my first entries into the digital asset space. And I did binaries. I got my fingers watered a bit with forex, not too much, just a little bit, but I spent time. I soaked myself up into binary, into derive, into boom and crash, into, I'm telling you, volatility. When you call VIX 75, boom, crash, crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000. I did those things, created bots for this. I'm telling you, I did so much in that line. But you see, I had to change my strategy because I felt that those things are not real. They're actually just mimicking the real world experience. So I had to just, back out of it. I still have a little bit of love for it, a little bit of love. Maybe I'll get back to it later on in future. I did a lot in that areas. Then from there, I went into things like smart contracts, decentralized finance, where you talk about, liquidity pools and, DEX trading and things like that, right? I went into a lot of smart contracts, mining contracts. Oh my God. I went into a lot of HYIPs. Who knows what HYIPs mean? That's high yield investment platforms that promise you a certain percentage after a particular amount of time. I tell you, I've been into so many of these things, but I got burnt. I'm telling you the truth, lost a lot of money. And then gradually started inching up into the world of cryptocurrency. And when I got into it and I got, began to understand the nuances behind it, I decided to stick with these three. I decided to stick with spot trading, triangular arbitrage, and inter-exchange arbitrage. And I'm telling you, those are the areas of my expertise, and that's where I focus on, right? And if you see in my channel, those are the things I talk about. Now, if I dabble into copy trading, dabble into futures, they're just for me, just testing things out and checking, right? I'm not a P2P trader, no, but I talk about it when there's need to be, because this channel is about income strategies, right? So I need to tell you about different income sources, the ones that are tested and proven. I can't tell you how many times people have approached me to come and pitch a particular platform to you, and I tell them no. If I don't believe in it, I will never come and show that on my channel. Yeah, so many people reach out to me saying, please, we want you to come and talk about this on your I'm sorry, I can't do that, because if I don't trust the platform, if I don't know what they're doing and I feel what they're doing is a Ponzi scheme, I will never bring it to you guys. Never would I ever do that, right? So that's just a little bit about me for those of you that wanted to know a bit about me. I hope that was quite informative. Okay, let's get back to trading. This is actually a passion of mine. I love it. I enjoy it. And I love teaching it. Okay. And if you want to learn more, guys, and you want to learn more, you want to know more about it, and you want more like one-on-one training, and you want to learn more, you can just check the pinned comments, guys. You can check the pinned comments for how to reach out to me. I could just paste that in again. You may not be able to click on it, but just copy it out and type it into your browser and you'll be able to reach out to me. All right, and check in the description, just in case you're watching the replay, you're not live, you can check in the description. You will definitely see more about how to reach out to me. Okay. All right. So look at it. This is the aftermath of waiting for a couple of minutes, because really time is our best friend. Time is always your best friend. People, look at it. I took the advice of Rizwan and it paid off, because right now, if I was in this trade, I would be in this pullback. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean it will remain so. It just means that I may spend more time in this trade. And that's just the main point. Like you can see that was a really outrageous pump. Different from the others, which show that probably there is like what I call a fake out, or it could just be a promotion being made for the coin. And because this is a new coin, promotions are still going on. People are advertising. People are trying to get a lot of people into this project. So at some points we may come up with this. We may see this kind of, how I call it now. what was that word I give it? Not fake pump, but that's the word. The word is that it looks outrageous, right? And it could be just a promotional pump. Okay, so let me get back into checking for trades, because the whole idea is that we want to check out and see whether we can trade. Yeah, let's see whether we can take some trades. I still have some money here to take some trades. So even though the situation of the market is currently kind of bearish, right? But it's still enough for us to begin to see, how to do this. All right. So data did well yesterday. Let's check on Polix one more time. Polix is going up. Yeah, but it actually went down. I don't know, what was it? Yes, 886, 86. I definitely cannot take this. 86. I wouldn't be able to take that. So because of that, SKL, what was it again? Okay, it's currently going down right now, so I'm not going to take that. ETFI, we have checked that one. ETHFI data, I think we've checked that one already. It's like it's going down too. All right, so let's say PHA. I remember someone took that trade. Let's see whether it's something we can take. No. I have told myself I will not be taking a trade when we have multiple red candles shortly before it. I will not take it. And if it's not on the 68-ish, I will not. 65 upwards, I won't take it. So you can see right now it's looking like it's pumping, but the problem we have with it is that it's just coming after immediately 2 consecutive red candles. I'm sure a lot of you, I get a lot of questions. How do you? It's just a matter of trial. How we call it? Experience, and then a lot of trial and error, learning from my previous trades. So I took a trade, I think it was RLC. It had a consecutive 3 red candles, guys. Even though the current candle was pumping and doing well, another thing was that current candle, though it was pumping and was doing well, the RSI was below. The RSI was below 65, and I took it. Right now, I'm still in that trade. Guys, because the pressure wasn't that much to keep it going. As you can see, then TRU is another one. Let's check it out. Look at TRU. It's looking like it's pumping. What's this? 70. Do we take this one? It looks like it might go up. Let me check our volatility checker. Let's see what's the direction. What's the direction, guys? Let's see. It's on the downward direction. Is it going up? I'll just check it out. Yeah. Let's see. It looks like it's on downward side. I don't know. It looks like it's going down. It may still change and go back up, but I don't know. It's on the going down side. I can't even take it. It's on the red candle right now. So because of that, let's just click on view more. There's some gems inside of here. Until you check them, you will know which ones are the gems. Okay, so TRU is not given right now. Let's see DEXY. DEXY is not given either. Let's see Pepper. Pepper is not given too. It's on the red candle point. AR is 35. Do I want to take? I don't like taking things that are so on the expensive side. Doesn't mean that it won't go up. It's just that at times, no, I think I will just do without it. I prefer to take those tinier coins. Yeah. Pendle, what's happening with you? Yeah, it's going up. I mean, you can see that little going up time of Bitcoin has affected a lot of coins and making them to go up really good. But the only thing now is that, okay, is that currently at, what's this one now? 68. Currently at 68. Let's just wait and see. Let's keep on going. Let's check UFT. Let's see what's going on with UFT. UFT currently, the parabolic SARS is on top of it, and of course you can see it's currently just come out the first one, but I don't like it. STRK also on the red. We're going to be doing like speed checking right now. Speed checking just to see. Oh no, it's not working, people. ACA, my god, this one, I currently have a trade in this one, and I'm wondering why it's just been taking me such a long time to get this one. But most of these trades, I'm just deciding that right now, because it's like a bearish situation right now in the market. I'm going to be reducing my target to like 1.5 thereabouts. FET, let's see. FET is also in the downward side. Let's see, ELF. Let's check it out. ELF, ELF, what's going on with you? 67, yeah, which is good, not bad. The only thing is that there's a wick on top of it. Yeah. Ocean, ocean. Let's check 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 ocean. Yikes. All right, people, just give me a moment, please. I think I may need to update my my data. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. Just sorry, guys. I thought it was my data, so it wasn't my data. So I was thinking that was data issues. No, it wasn't, people. So let me keep on checking. So we will check storage. I remember storage. Can see the red. The red ones are currently at the base. Let's go check what's going on with BTC. BTC is back to 63. That's what. Can you see that? Anytime you see something is happening and you can see the same pattern across a lot of coins, you just come and check on BTC. You will see it's the same pattern. BTC is currently going down right now. Yeah. Before I continue, let me even go and check on KuCoin. Remember, we took a trade yesterday on KuCoin. I don't know. I think it's even really going down, people. It's going down. Its current LTU is at 14.7. Wow. Nah. No. This one is really, really going down. Anyway, we're still in it. Let's wait and see how this one performs, and let's keep on going. Let me get back into what I was doing. So you can see that BTC currently has, a red candle currently here. So you can see that. Nah. We just have to wait, people. Yeah. We don't have a choice. We do not have a choice, but we just keep on checking. Let me go back to the front page and see. SKL, are you doing well? Yes, it looks like it wants to, but I don't know. 70. If I go into this one, I might be stuck for a while. I don't want that. It may just push up any moment, It may just push up, but it's let me check this data again. Data is going back up, but at this point it still has the, it has the parabolic this one hasn't stopped. Why do I keep on going to Polix? Polix is far beyond. It's far beyond what I need. So let me leave it. What is this one? What is this one? 70. Yeah, but this wick is the issue. It has to have a full candle, people. It's got to have a full candle. If it doesn't have a full candle, I cannot take it. Pepper, I think I said I was going to check that out. No, it's still in the red zone. Red zone. I'll just keep on checking. Speed checking. Here we go. Speed checking. Here we go. Let's check it out. Speed checking. Here we go. We're going to do that very brisk and quick. UFT. I thought it was looking good. No, it isn't. UFT. OP. No, that's not going to work. At first glance, ACA. Nah, no ways. We will keep on doing this till we find a trade that looks good for us to take, right? Pixel. Great. ELF. Let's see. No, ELF is not working. Ocean. I just saw Jasmine there. Jasmine, are you still on board? I remember we took Jasmine at one time. Oh, STX. No. I said Jasmine. Why are you running away, Jasmine? Look at it. It's good, but it's still very, very. I mean, I don't think I like the spikes I'm seeing on it. RSR, my friend. Let's see whether RSR is deep in, people. RSR is deep in. Power, what's going on with you? I can see the same structure, people. ARB, remember ARB. ARB, are you here? ARB showed me Pepe. Hey, when I took ARB, wasted my time. Gala, let's see you. That reddish, can you see that red candle? You can see what we're saying. All of them have that same structure. API 3. They all have the same structure, as you can see. As you can see, SYN. Maybe we will find one without that structure. We just have to keep checking, people. RLC. RLC. Oh, Jesus, can you see this one? This one is another one that we're trusting God for it to quickly execute. Gala. Have I checked Gala? I think I have. Yeah. They're all on the same VIC. Oh, VIC looks different. VIC looks different. This is 62. Can we take this one? It's a full candle, people. Let's check the volatility checker. VIC. Oh, interesting. But is it volatile? It looks like it's going up, people. It's jumping. 87. 87. Let's check. It's jumping, people. It is looking good. Are we good? Oh, 62, but it's not exactly what I want. But it's going up, people. I'm going to take a chance on this. Maybe. Let's see whether we can do this. Let's see. Did we buy it? I think we did. I think we bought it, people. But this looks like it's going to go up. It looks like it's going to go up. We have to make the next one for it. The next level. Let's go to convert. Let's check it out. How much did we buy? I think we bought exactly that amount. Did we buy that? Yeah, we bought. Oh, we bought it in two pieces. 49. 49. What is that? 49.97, people. Yes, 49.97. Okay, let's go see. It's like it's gone up more, people. It's gone up more. Let's go check it out. Let's see how we're going to get this done. Let's go to limit. Limit and change that to VIC. Then to USDT. I'm just going to make it very, very, conservative. Nothing more than 2%. Nothing more than that, people. Nothing more. Okay. 57. We're currently in a little bit of profit. Let's change this to 89. 9. I think we're cool with that. 89 is just okay. 89, 1. Just $1 is fine. Let's just work with that. Let's hope it goes and quickly gets executed, people. Yeah. So it's currently at 87. 87, 87. Is it going up? Yeah. It's looking like it's going up. Let's see how this works, people. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. Yes, let's see how this goes. We're just checking this out to see whether this is going to work. Let me check the volatility checker and see whether it's actually, the velocity and volatility. It's gone down a bit. Yes, as you can see, it was at 8732. All right. Let's just wait and see. So I'm just going to take that screenshot. Yeah. We're on VIC USDT. Well, I ignored something, and I just hope that is not going to be against me. I made the 62, but I saw the volatility. I saw that it was mounting up with pressure. Sometimes I might have to ignore that slightly, and that's how even sometimes I might even ignore it, even if it's way above also. So, but I can see, I saw the mountain. I saw the fact that it was going up. I saw the fact. I hope that it does. I hope it's not going to prove me wrong. I hope it's not going to prove me wrong. I hope it's not going to prove me wrong. So, but for now, this is where we are. Okay, let's wait and see. So, let's go ahead and check for another one. VIC was on the plate, or is currently in the queue right now. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. VIC is currently in the queue. Let's click on view more. Let's see where we are. VIC. VIC. Okay, yeah, it's going up, people. It is. It just went up. I just saw it go up. VIC. Where is it again? Where has it gone? VIC is at 86. Oh, what happened? I think I just saw something now. Did it go down? Looks like it did. I was wondering what I just saw just now. Don't mind me. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Okay. We've got to keep on taking trades, people. We would not allow anything stand in our way. Okay, so which one do we have again? Which one do we have? Let's see. There's Metis. No, I don't want that one. RLC. We've checked Gala. 1,000 sats. Let's check that one out. Okay. As you can see, it has a red candle at the tip. I definitely don't like anything with that. And it's at 59. Yeah, it's at 59. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's keep on checking. Let's see Wax P. What about that one? Going down, going down. EMP. What's that? Loca. Is that Loca? Let's see Loca. Also has a red at the point. Let's see. At the point. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. AMP. Have we checked the AMP? AMP is going down, people. AMP is going down. Power. Going down. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Loca. CH. Also having the going down syndrome. We have to wait it out. I think I'm seeing CRV. CRV, where are you? Also red at the tip. Yeah. Let's check this one out. Interesting. Looks good, but it has a wick. It has a wick on it. Let's see which other one will most likely work. I don't know. Wow. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's keep on checking. SLP. Yeah, that's another one. I think I've taken that one before. SLP. I've taken that one before. HFT. There are many coins here I've taken before. Oh my God, Lena, my friend. Let me see what's going on with Lena. Also has red at the tip, people. Red at the tip. The candles are red at the tip. Yeah. Sand. Oh, that was another great one. Sand is also having its pullback. You can see red at the tip, people. Red. It's red at the tip. Red at the tip. Okay, HFT, VTHO. They're all red at the tip, people. They're all red. There's a few of them that look like they are free from that red tip syndrome. You can see red candle syndrome. Coty, let's check it out. This is the work we got to do. Yeah. Rune, XAI. Look, even if you have a group where they're giving you signals, you need to come and check it out. Caleb, Caleb, you're making noise.